Hi, and welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be making a memorial box for a pet. Some of the hardest things we have to do in life is to say goodbye to people or animals that we love. And if you have the misfortune to be going through something like that right now, I'm very sorry for your loss. And I hope that this is a project that you can do that will be healing and give you something beautiful to look at to remember your loved one or your pet by. Here's the sample that we're going to be working on, and I'll show you how to make this part of the memory box. Once you have your headshot selected, you'll go to a place like remove.bg, which will remove the background. You can drag and drop your image or upload it via file, and it will automatically remove the background from your photo. You can download that and then head right on over to a website like picsvg.com, and you'll upload the picture that you just removed the background from. This will transfer it into an SVG format like that. I would highly recommend selecting a filter that has chunkier pieces. Makes it a lot easier to transfer. And then once you found the one you like, you just download it. Go into Design Space and click on Upload on the left side and Upload Image. Then you can browse for it, or you can drag and drop. And it will pop up as an SVG cut file already. So there's nothing you really need to do except maybe change the name, and then you'll click on the green upload button in the bottom right corner. Then it'll pop up in your recent uploads. Click on the image, it'll show up down in the bottom bar, and then click on Insert Images. It'll pop up here. You'll see that all those pieces on the right side. While it's all selected, I'm just going to click Weld to make it one full piece. And I'm going to resize it to 3x3 so that it fits in my box. You want to make sure you know what size you want your cut to be. And then I'm going to click Make It. I'll select Matte. And because I'm putting this on the inside of the glass in my frame, I'm going to mirror the image on the left side there. And click Make It. Here it is, cut. I'm going to be reverse weeding this thing. So I'm going to take a piece of transfer paper. Actually, this is contact paper from the dollar store. And I'm putting it down center touching first. And then I'm putting it down on top of the vinyl that has not yet been weeded. This is a reverse weeding technique that you'll see a little bit later in really bad resolution because I had a technical difficulty, but you'll peel the mat away from the vinyl, and then you'll slowly peel the vinyl away from the backing. This, I had kind of a problem with this vinyl. The paper was sticking to the cut. I've heard that that's a common problem with this type of vinyl. So I would recommend that you go real slow like that. See, to kind of slowly peel the paper away. So this was my technical difficulty. My recording thing got hung up and then wasn't going to save my recording, so I had to do a workaround. But you're going to basically weed the sticky side up of the vinyl that way. Okay, now I'm prepping the glass with an alcohol wipe. I would recommend you let it dry a little bit longer than I did. There it is, fully weeded. It's sticky side up. Put it the center part down first, and then push down from the center outwards to stick your vinyl down. So I'm not sure if this was user error or if this is a vinyl issue, but it was kind of difficult to peel the pieces up. It's not usually, it's usually kind of difficult with little pieces like this, so I would highly recommend for you to go super slow. Use your fingers to push it down. Just be patient. Just be patient. For me, this was really actually kind of healing. If you have the misfortune to be doing this for your own pet, my condolences go out to you. For me, I know that this was a really, really healing thing for me to do after the loss of my pets. So I hope that if you are doing this for yourself, that not only do you have something beautiful to remember your loved one by, but also you feel a little bit better. And there it is. I'm just going to stick some white behind there so you can see how it looks. Sorry about the reverse weeding thing being in poor resolution. So if you have any questions about reverse weeding, please leave them in the comments down below. Any other questions or suggestions or comments, please also leave those in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys again next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.